So you want to be a YouTube creator. It's simple to do. Anyone can do it. Anybody can be a YouTube creator. I have 5 simple steps to help you along the way. So let's go. Phone. Grab your mobile device, your phone, your iPad. It doesn't matter. All you need is the camera. Nearly all devices have cameras. Don't worry about having the best camera. The best camera is the one you own. Record. Point the camera at yourself or your subject and make the video. Capture whatever it is that you want to share. Your message, your idea, your memory, your milestone, your vlog, your talent. Record it, save it, upload. Log on to your YouTube account, upload it. Share. Let everyone else in on your creation. Be proud of what you're able to do. People love to see creators create. Give others a chance to see how you do it. Create something. Repeat. Don't stop there. Redo this process. Have a new idea? Try it. Learn something new? Apply it. Being a creator is about trying new things and learning along the way, all the while becoming better at it and sharing the knowledge and the experience. But most of all, it's about doing something you love. Do what you love. Recording and uploading a video and becoming a creator? Done.